Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIP's Home School, and I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, unit chapter 8, short question 4 and 5. So let's see. Class 3, subject computer, topic unit 8, short question 4 and 5. Sorry, this will be not unit, chapter. In computer we call it chapter. So chapter 8, short question 4 and 5. So topic is chapter 8, short question 4 and 5. Term annual, lecture 9, SW will be 8. Teacher Ariful Islam, mobile, this is a phone number, and this is messenger ID. So let's start the class. So our short question number 4, how can we write a direction in the simple language for the turtle? Our question is, how can we write a direction in the simple language for the turtle? Answer, we can write a simple direction for the turtle as following. So I have given a star mark. First one, start from home. Okay, so start from home. I have given a blank page. I will write here, start from home. Then I have to write this home in capital letter, H-O-M-E. Okay. Next, walk 20 steps forward. So in this line there is no capital letters word. Okay. Every word is the small number. So in this case we have to write forward in capital letter. Forward, we will write forward in capital letter as it is written in the book. So we have to write forward, first forward in the capital letter, then write 20. Okay, walk 20 steps forward. Forward will be in capital letter, and then we will write 20. Turn left, so we have to write left in capital letter, L-E-F-T. Okay, so turn left, I have written left in capital letter as it is written in the book, as is written in the directions. Walk 4 steps forward, so we have to write forward in capital. Forward, F-O-R-W-A-R-D. So forward 4. 4 is given here, we have to write forward 4. Okay, we have finished. So our question is, how can we write a directions in the simple language for the turtle? Answer, we can write a simple direction for the turtle as following. First point is, start from home. Home is capital, here home will be capital. Walk 20 steps forward. Forward will be capital letters, all the letters, and then we will write 20. Turn left, left will be capital. Walk 20 steps forward. Forward will be capital letter, and then 4. Our next question, number 5. Why was the turtle confused about the directions? Question is, why was the turtle confused about the directions? Answer, the direction of treasure given by bunnies was not clear. The turtle couldn't read the directions properly. Then Captain Logo wrote it in a simple language, which turtle could understand. The turtle named it Logo language. So let's read the questions. Number 5. Why was the turtle confused about the directions? Answer. The direction of treasure given by bunnies was not clear. The turtle couldn't read the direction properly. Then captain logo, remember logo, C will be captain, C will be capital, and logo, all the letters will be capital. Then captain logo wrote it in a simple language which turtle could understand. The turtle named it logo language. So let's read for the last time. Question number 4. How can we write a direction in the simple language for the turtle? Answer. We can write a simple direction for the turtle as following. First point is start from home. Home will be capital letter. Walk 20 steps forward, forward 20. Turn left, left. Walk 4 steps forward, forward 4. Number 5. Why was the turtle confused about the direction? Answer. The direction of treasure given by bunnies was not clear. The turtle couldn't read the direction properly. Then captain logo wrote it in a simple language which turtle could understand. The turtle named it logo language. So my dear students, the SW will be 8. Submit on Sunday. Chapter 8, short question 4 and 5. So you will do SW short question 4 and 5. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.